Question number 9. A square prism of base at 30 mm is cut by a section plane such that the true shape is a hexagon having two opposite sides 25 mm and four remaining sides 40 mm long. Draw the top view, front view, and true shape of section. Also determine the height of the prism. Now, first step is drawing the top view. So here, the size of the square prism is 30 mm. One edge is 30 mm, and when these edges are equally inclined to VP, that means the angle here may be 45 degree, should be 45 degree, and then the height is not known. So you project from this point to here, from this point to here, and from this point to here, and the size of the true shape is a shape of the true shape is a hexagon, not a regular hexagon, but four sides are 40 mm. This side is 40 mm. From here to here it is 40 mm. This is 25 mm. This is 40 mm, 40 mm, and finally this is 25 mm. So this one and this one 25 mm, and for remaining sides 40 mm. So first you have to draw the true shape of the section. That is, first you draw the center line, then you take 12.5 mm towards this side and 12.5 from towards right side, so that you can draw this line and also this line. Now from here to here, this length it is w by 2, and which is w. From here to here distance, corner to corner distance is w, half of that is w by 2. So from the center line you draw a line, this distance is w by 2. Similarly towards right also you can draw a line like this, which is w by 2, w by 2 distance from the center line. So first you take 25 here, then draw an arc with the 40 mm on this line, from this point to 40 mm to this line, and from there to 25 mm. From that point you take 40 mm on this line, and now join. So this is the shape, and distance between these flat surfaces, let it be taken as L. So this is the length from this face to this face, that length has to be taken. Now the sectional topic and the sectional topic can be drawn. That is, from the line joining these two corners, you take 12.5 to this side and 12.5 to this side, so that lines drawn will meet this point, this square prism at this point and this point. Now also if that is extended will meet this point and this point. So inside portion is that will be the sectional top view. We can hatch it. Now from this point you project upward. Also from this point you project upward. We do not know the exact length, but it can be raised upward. And now with this point as center, this much length as radius, you cut the line through this point at this point. So this arc length is same as the distance between these two flat edges. So you get this point. There you can determine that will be the height of the top edge of the prism, so that you can complete this front view. Now this can be rearranged to get a sectional plane here, and again for drawing the true shape you project to this side at an angle 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. from here this edge is cut, from that edge also you can draw a line, and from this point also you can draw a line. So when you draw a line on this point, what you will do is that this is first we will draw the center of this true shape, which will be equal to, which will resemble the this corner to corner line. Now this distance you will take, and that can be marked to both sides, so that you will get this point and this point. When you consider this projector, you can take this distance on both sides, so that distance is taken this side and that side. And now this distance you can take, that will be marked to this side and this side, so that we can join all those points and get the true shape. So this is the solution of the problem.